Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for Heyday. If you want to get started and play the popular mobile farming simulation game developed by Supercell, then here's how you can do it. First, make sure that you have downloaded the Heyday application on your preferred mobile device. Once you have it, tap on it to launch it open. Once you open up the game, start playing. You'll be guided through the initial tutorial and gameplay introductions. Follow through the instructions till the end, and then, after you are completed through the tutorial, you can now connect to a Supercell ID. You can also play without a Supercell ID login, and your progress of the game will be saved on your device. But if you want to go ahead and log in with your Supercell ID, then tap on the menu bar at the top left-hand corner. Now tap Settings in the pop-up. From the Settings menu, tap on Login right at the top right-hand corner. You'll then need to enter your Supercell ID. Tap the Next button and follow through the prompts, and tap Get Started. If you've not registered yet for Supercell ID, you have an option to register it right now. Tap on Register Now at the bottom. To create a new ID, you'll need to use a valid email address so that you can receive your verification code. Tap the Continue button if you've got one, and then enter it in the next page. Enter an email address that is available to you in the first text box. Re-enter your email on the next field, and once both of the email addresses matches, you can check this little box at the bottom to receive news and updates from Supercell. If you don't want to receive them, leave it unchecked and tap on Register. You'll now need to enter the verification code that has been sent to this email. Open up your email inbox that is associated with the account. Make sure to open up the same email that you just registered with and open up the inbox from Supercell. You'll be able to see your registration ID, tap it on, and then select the text and tap Copy. Go back to the Heyday app and paste in the code that you received and tap on Submit. Once you are done, you'll be able to connect to Supercell ID. Tap on OK, and you'll now need to enter your Supercell ID name. Go ahead and select a name for yourself and make sure to choose a name that is not your real name. After you are done with it, tap Continue. Select your avatar from the display. Choose the background color on the next field and tap on Continue. You can now choose to add friends or invite friends to Supercell ID, or if you don't want to do that right now, simply tap the cross icon at the top left and you'll be able to sign up for Heyday. You can now go ahead and start playing your game. Heyday is all about managing and growing your virtual farm, plant and harvest crops, trade goods with neighbors, raise animals, and expand your farm as you progress. So that is how you can easily sign up for Heyday. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.